All right, so I want to do a quick video overview of the TW200 with the motorcycle luggage. That fits pretty well, and I think is, a solid option for doing any multi-day tours. If you're just doing one overnight, maybe you could get away with a lot less, but I like to have, the layers and things to ride out for rain or, any conditions where you may see some colder temperatures where you may need bigger gloves or you may need rain pants and things like that. So this is loaded for pretty much anything you could see in three and a half seasons of riding, minus the deep winter stuff. So what you see here is an 8-liter Hurricane tank bag. This fits right in front. Just comes over the upper part of the seat and cuts off right here, a little bit behind the peg. For me, that fits great. I know a lot of people like smaller tank bags or larger tank bags. 8 liters for me seems to be about right. I had one that was 12 and I had one that was 5, and this seems to be working, at least on the test ride so far. Moving here to the saddlebags. These guys just connect right on the seat, and then they strap down here and up here in order to attach to the bike, and they're really strong. I'm basically moving the whole bike, just pushing that around. So those combined are 30 liters, 15 a pop, and they hold the heavier items, right? So they hold like things like your jet boil, your gas, your tent poles, your tent pegs, your repair kit, water, fuel, if you have it. I have a bottle of oil in there. I've got bear mace, things like that. Everything that's heavy and metal, you want as low on the bike as possible. Up here is just things you use all the time. Phone will be right here. I'm recording with that. But gloves, lens cleaner, microfiber towel, napkins, things of that nature, wallet, keys, whatever you got. And then up here is where you got all the fluff. So you're gonna have, well, for me personally, I have a foam pad, tent, sleeping bag, hammock, camping chair. Everything that's really light and fluffy is packed in here, as well as some clothes for camping at night. In terms of accessibility, I do try and keep the rain gear in the side pouch to keep it accessible, but that's pretty much it. And you can see everything is within the handlebars and strapped down nice and tight. The duffel will move the entire bike as well, just with those 4 straps. So there you go. That's an overview of the TW200 with a Nelson Rigg Hurricane tank bag, Nelson Rigg Adventure saddlebag, and a Ragged Mountain Equipment 60-liter duffel. And that combined is 98 liters of storage and plenty to take off your jacket and store it in the back still. Probably using about 80 of it right now. There you go.